One of our best sellers in London. The Alma Rooms are 5 minutes walk from Angel Tube Station and located just off Upper Street. The Alma is a Victorian building that has been renovated into studios. All rooms are bright with modern fittings throughout. All units include a flat-screen TV. There is also a kitchenette, fitted with a dishwasher, oven and microwave. A toaster and kettle are also featured. Bed linen is provided. All studios have a fully equipped contemporary open-plan kitchen with integrated combo oven, dishwasher, hob and fridge. As well as an private bathroom, all rooms provide a space for eating and relaxing with free high-speed Wi-Fi and smart flat-screen TVs. Daily housekeeping and linen are provided. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.